Recently, I attended a medical conference and I gave a talk on how to crack NEET PG and INI-CET. So, I am bringing this video for the YouTube audience and I am showing all the PPT slides to you. First of all, we must know the marks weightage of NEET PG versus INI-CET. This is a 3 years average. मोर और लेस यही ट्रेंड रहता है. INI-CET में थोड़ा सा चेंजेस आता है, बट in NEET PG more or less it is constant. So we can see a pretty low weightage in anatomy and physiology in NEET PG, but it is very much important for the INI-CET. INI-CET is more focused towards the pre and paraclinical subjects and also focused on major four clinical subjects, that is medicine, surgery, OBGY and pediatrics. NEET PG is more focused for biochemistry, pharmacology, pathology, microbiology. FMT is high weightage, community medicine is high weightage, and the three major clinical subjects, that is medicine, surgery, and OBGY. So, if you are targeting INICT, you need to have more stronger hold on the pre and paraclinical subjects. Coming to NEET PG versus INICT exam pattern, first is the question type. NEET PG is a superficial exam. It covers a wide range of topics with a relatively lesser depth. But INICT digs deeper into the previous year topics. सो एक को प्रीवियस ईयर टॉपिक से बहुत डेप्थ में जाके वो लोग क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. जैसे कि टेरियन का क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट टाइम दे आस्क्ड दैट व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर नेम वाज टेरियन. Then they asked which branch of artery lies behind it. After that, they asked which are the structures that lie behind Tyrian. Like this, they go into the depth of the topic. So you need to have complete hold on the topics which have been asked previously in the NICT exam. Coming to time duration, 40 questions, 42 minutes in each set, so you get 63 seconds per question in NEET PG. In INICT, 50 questions, 45 minutes, so you get only 54 seconds per question. 9 seconds is the gap per question, but believe me, it is massive. So the time management is more important for the INICT exam. You have to be quick and accurate at the same time. Questions are clinical oriented more in NEET PG, and here the question patterns are also different because you can get multiple option correct, match the following and reasoning assertion questions. Coming to direct repeats from the previous year questions, in NEET PG you get only 3 to 6 direct repeats, but in case of INICT you can get up to 15 to 20 questions direct repeats. Image based questions, we all have a lot of phobia regarding the image based questions. So image based questions are asked both in INICT and NEET PG. In NEET PG, image based question weightage is a bit more than the INICT. So 25 to 40% image based questions. In NEET PG 2024, it was 50 to 60% image based questions. But the sad part is only 10% of the images are searchable from the browser in NEET PG, and 90% of the images are given by the professor's clinical image bank. मतलब सोचो कोई डर्माटोलॉजी का प्रोफेसर है, उनके पास लाइकेन प्लेनस का कुछ क्लिनिकल फोटोज होंगे ही अपने पेशेंट से. सो वो लोग वो सारे पेशेंट का फोटोज देते हैं एग्जाम में, ना कि जो कि ब्राउज़र से सर्च करके मिलता है. In this case of scenario, you will have to crack the question by seeing the question stem, and तुमको जस्ट इमेज रट्टाफाई करने से नहीं होगा, तुमको इमेज का कॉन्सेप्ट को समझना पड़ेगा कि कैसा कैसा लाइकन प्लेनस में लीशन मिलता है. वायलेट कलर लीशंस हाइपर पिगमेंटेड स्किन में नहीं मिलता है, तो थोड़ा सा डार्किश ब्लूइश लीशंस मिल सकता है, ईचिंग होगा हिस्ट्री में, तो वैसे करके तुम क्रैक कर सकते हो. कुछ ओरल लीशंस हो सकते हैं, बट तुमने जो नोट्स में जो वाला इमेज रट्टाफाई किया है या फिर याद किया है, वो वाला इमेज नीट पीजी में नहीं आएगा. इन केस ऑफ INICT, 30% approximately image based questions, and almost all 100% is from the first search or from the classical images from the search history. Exam dates are unpredictable in NEET PG, it is predictable in INICT. Coming to the institute difference, good hands-on exposure, and in the aims the tag is good, the academics is very much good, you can get to the foreign very easily, you can attend multinational conferences also, but the hands-on exposure is a bit limited in the aims. Coming to the prof students, because I don't make videos regarding the prof students, So how to balance props and NEET PG preparation? In first and second year, you should focus on reading the standard textbooks. With that, you should read the main videos. Okay, you should read the main videos and the main notes of the app you are taking. After that, just 2 to 3 months prior to the exam, you have to study the past 10 years question papers of the university exam, the supplementary exam, and also see the semester papers of your particular university of the different colleges. क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटी से क्वेश्चन सेट होता है, वो लोग कॉलेजेस को भेजते हैं कि अपना क्वेश्चन पेपर भेजो। तो जो क्वेश्चंस पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज अपने सेमेस्टर में पूछते हैं, वो सारे क्वेश्चंस ही भेजते हैं। सो देयर इज़ अ हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ चांसेस दैट इफ़ यू प्रैक्टिस that year's semester question papers, then you can get that common in the main MB final exam also. And practicals are are the must, because it is the only learning that is psychomotor. Seeing the online video lectures, you will only have learning in the cognitive domain. But if you do that in practice, then your psychomotor domain will be activated and you will remember it for the longer time. And mostly in the INICT, they ask questions from the pre and paraclinical practicals also. So it is a must for the first and second years and those who are attending wards. Coming to MCQ, because it is an MCQ based exam, so you will have to practice MCQs. During MBBS, you solve QBank. During internship, you do focus only on the previous year questions of 8 years of NEET PG, 8 years of INICT, and 3 years of FMG. Do custom modules of hashtag recent NEET, hashtag AIMS, hashtag FMG, hashtag image based, hashtag clinical, and hashtag drug of choice. Revision is the key to success. If I hold one pencil and I try to break it, I will easily break it. But if I hold five pencils and I try to break it, I won't be able to break it. This is the power of revision. A revision will make you unbreakable during the examination. So, at least five revisions you should do. And I always quote the famous quote of Bruce Lee, that I don't fear the one who practices 1,000 kicks once, but I fear the one who practices one kick 1,000 times. So that's the power of revision, that's the power of perfection. Grand tests are the real life exam hall experience. So you must give grand tests starting from your final year when you have completed 13 subjects. The frequency with which you should give grand tests is 2 to 3 per month, and in the later half, go for 4 per month. Try to give CBTs because they will give you real life exam hall experience. So grand test is just like the net practice of cricket match. Before the cricket match, the players practice in the net. So grand test is the net practice, CBTs is the warm up matches, and the real match is your NEET PG or INICT exam. As you know that NEET PG and INICT both are very much PYQ heavy exam. So if you are preparing for any exam, you can go for the individual PYT list, or a combined PYT list is also there, and its strike rate in NEET PG will be 150 to 180 questions. So link is given in the description box below and pinned comment section. Coming to, there is digital image bank also. It is very much helpful for the INICT aspect because 100% of the questions are from the browser search, and here classical images are also given, and the non-classical some specimen images are also given which are asked in NEET PG. So it has 1,000 plus images. The link is given in the description box below and pinned comment section, you can check it. After that, I showed a footage of Dhurandhar 1. So this was the scene that you should focus like Hamza. When Hamza was driving and Rahman Daket said that, Hamza, gaadi rok, gaadi rok mother. After that, you all remember the scene. So three people were trying to stop him. They covered his face also, but he removed the hand. He saw the water pipe and he fastened his seat belt, and then उसने वो वाटर पाइप में जाके हिट किया. What you should learn from Hamza, that during period of high stress during the exam hall also, you have to focus like Hamza, and you have to have the presence of mind that he saw the water line. So you have to see the clues given in the question and you have to arrive to the correct answer. And Dhurandhar 2 is the residency. We all are waiting for Dhurandhar 2, and you all guys are also waiting for residency, but it is, believe me, tougher than the preparation phase. So preparation phase is Dhurandhar 1 and your residence is Dhurandhar 2. Coming to the Milkha mindset. Pakistan general said Milkha Singh, ये आपकी ज़िंदगी की आखिरी रेस साबित हो सकती है. मिल्खा सिंह रिप्लाइड, तो दौड़ूंगा भी वैसे ही. दिस इज द माइंडसेट. थिंक दिस इज योर लास्ट एग्जाम एंड यू विल हैव टू गिव इट दैट दिस इज माई लास्ट चांस and I will make it worth it. If this is your mindset, you are surely going to crack this exam. The main thing I want to say you is that we can only aim to be skillful. We can only aim to become skillful in solving MCQs. We can only become skillful to get better marks in the grand test. But the success in the NEET PG and INICT has its own time. It is in the hand of God. It is not in our hand. So don't stress upon your results. See your performance, see your efforts. Focus on your efforts. Success will surely come with its due time and with its due interest also. So all the best for NEET PG and INICT and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.